Hello everyone, I am Patil AG, Assistant Professor HM College, Current. Today we are going to learn about the operators. In last lecture we see the arithmetical operator and assignment operator. Today we are going to learn about the logical operator. Let's see. Content for the today's lecture. First is the truth tables. In truth table there are the three truth tables. First one is a AND gate, second is a OR gate, third one is a NOR, NOT, and fourth one is a XOR gate. Next content is the logical operator and examples of the logical operator, bitwise operator and example of the bitwise operator. So let's see the truth tables. In the logical operator and bitwise operator, we must know about the AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, NOT gate and XOR gate. So, first one is the AND gate. Here, this is the AND gate diagram. First is the input A, here is the input B, and here is the output. This is the symbol for the AND gate. Here is the truth table. Here the value of A, input A is here and value of input B is here and output is here. If the value of input A is 0 and value of input B is also 0, then the output is a 0. If value of input A is 0 and value of input B is 1, then the output is a 0. In third condition, the value of input A is a 1 and value of input B is a 0, then the value of output is a 0. And the last condition, if both the inputs values are the 1, if the output is the 1. If you want to get the output as a true, then you should give the both inputs are the true. Second is the OR gate. This is the OR gate circuit and the inputs for the OR gates are the 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Here the output is a Z. In the OR gate, if one of the output is a 1, then the one of the input is a 1, then the output must be the 1. Let's see here the first condition. Here the input of X is a 0, input of Y is a 0, then the output is also 0. But in the second case, the input X is a 0, input Y is a 1, then the output Z is a 1. Third condition, input X is a 1, but input Y is a 0. Output Z is equal to 1. In the last condition, if both are the true or the both inputs are the 1, then also the OR gate's output is a 1. Last one is the NOT gate. Here this is the circuit diagram for the NOT gate and the input is only A and output is a S here. If the input is 0, then the output is a 1 and input is a 1, then the output is a 0, means vice versa. If we are taking input as a 1, then the output is a 0 and output is 1 when the input is a 1. Logical operators. JavaScript support the following logical operators. For the logical operators, assume the variable A holds value 10 and B holds value 20. First is the logical AND operator. If both the operands are the non-zero, then the condition becomes true. Let's see. In the previous slide, we discussed about the AND gate. Means if both the inputs are the 1, both the inputs are the true, then and then only output must be the true. Means A and logical and B is a true. Next is a logical OR. If any of the two operands are the non-zero, then the condition becomes true. Let's see in the diagram. Here, any of the one operand its value is a true, then the output is a true. Here the A logical or B is a true. Next is the logical NOT. It reverses the logical state of its operand. If a condition is a true, then the logical NOT operator will make it a false. Let's see in the diagram. Here the input is a 0, then the output is a 1, and input is a 1, then output is a 0, means vice versa. Here the NOT operator, logical NOT, is applied on a logical and B is false. Here the A logical and B is a true, and NOT of A logical and B is a false. Let's see the example. Here the value of variable A and variable B is a true false, but in the previous example we take the value of A and value of B as a 10 and 20, means a numeric value. Before you going to apply the logical operators, we must know the value of numeric value is converted into binary value, and then only you can apply the logical operators on that numeric values. Let's see the example. Here the example, HTML body script type is a text oblique JavaScript. Variable var A is equal to true, var B is equal to, var line break is equal to break tag. Next line is displaying the logical AND operator. Here the document dot write simple bracket double quotation A logical and B. Result is equal to in bracket A logical and B. Document dot write, in here the result is displayed. Document dot write line break. Here in this program there are the two variables. First one is a variable A and variable B. Variable A having the value is a true, means it's having a boolean data type. Variable B, it's having the value false, means it's also having a boolean data type. Var line break, it means here the line break is a variable and it holds the value of a tag BR, means tag BR gives the line break, it breaks the line. Here if you want to display anything on the web browser, then we should use the document dot write. Dot write is a method. Here the again result is another variable, and in the result we store the output or the A logical and B's output or the result in the result variable, and also we in this line also we display the result here. Second is the document dot write in bracket A or logical or B. So the A logical or B is assigned to the variable result. Result here document dot write write in bracket result, means here the result is displayed and line break. Here document dot write not in bracket A logical and B. Not in bracket A logical and B assigned to the result, and document dot write displayed the result. Next is the document dot write line break. Here the end of the script, and in the p tag it here write the set the variables to different values and different operators, and then try. Here the end of the body, end of the HTML. Let's see the output. A logical and B gives the output as a false. A logical or B, it gives the output as a true. Not A logical and B, it gives the value true, and the contents within the p tag we displayed here, they set the variables to the different values and different operators, and they try. This is the example of a logical operator.